super bright, bringing retro back. Yo, heading for Auburn. Gonna hit the Western States course. Should be cool. Can't wait. Yeah, I should have left about 45 minutes ago, but Garmin decides to play up and not take a route at all and just keep shutting down or not doing anything. It's typical. We just want to get moving. A bit of a pain in the ass. If I see that Garmin sign again, that's going to go out the window. This is the Garmin face. Finally leaving. There's like 5 Garmin reinstalled. At least 5 anyway. So, almost to the point of giving up. But I'm obviously not sure of the route, so I kind of needed to sort it. Let's go Auburn! Sweet potato and refried beans, in case you're wondering. Looks a bit disgusting, but tastes alright. There's a famous saying in Scotland: when you're really hungry, you could eat a scabby horse. But now that I think about it, last couple of years, Tesco and all the other supermarkets, you probably were eating a scabby horse. Find out.